yummy. Very sweet. The grapes. And then we have oranges here. A nectarine. Look at this nectarine tree. These are nectarine fruits loaded too. Like the grapes. And there are more down here. So this is our nectarine tree. Lovely. What are we here for, Josh?
We're here for nectarine and grapes.
Okay, let's pick some nectarines and grapes. Oh, such a gentleman or gentle boy. Thank you so much, Josh. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Baba. The nectarines are here. Check the ones that are soft.
I think this one is.
Is that one? Yeah, okay. You can pick it. And then more. We have a lot of nectarines. Thank you. Here, but I don't think you can reach them. Look at this. We have a lot there. And then what else do you want to pick? Grapes?
Grapes.
So here are the nectarines. I think this should be enough. We can pick more tomorrow, right?
Right.
And then let's pick the grapes. Let's harvest the grapes.
There we go.
Yum, yum. Put it here.
Where's the?
I need to get
big
one.
bunch up there.
Which one?
There, up
Yeah,
there.
you can get it. Can harvest it.
It's a little
Oh, I want to try one. Let's eat one. Freshly picked grapes. Yummy. It's very sweet. You want to eat?
No, thank you. I preferred it washed.
You prefer it washed. 1 second. Be careful. That's a huge bunch.
Catch it.
You don't want to catch it?
I don't know how.
Okay, you don't know
It's a
how.
little prickle. Oh,
You're too fast. Anyway, it's okay.
and this one. Now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Ready.
wait.
I'm ready now. Oh, I think there's one more here too. Can you check here? Or maybe it's okay. We can pick this tomorrow. Oh, those are huge, Josh. But you cannot reach it. This one, but I want to. My God, I cannot even reach it. I need a chair, but I would like to eat this. These are big.
Wait, what?
You want me to get it? This is like super freshly picked grapes.
This is my garden pick.
What are they?
These are nectarine and grapes.
Yay! I'm talking about those grapes. They are sweet and juicy and yummy. These are my harvest today. The peaches, grapes, tomatoes, apples, and like one strawberry. Like this. It is ready. And this is lemon verbena. Here are my garden harvest. Peach, nectarine, and then lemon verbena. Tonight I'm going to cook salmon in tagine. So salmon is not a typical Moroccan dish, but it's really good cooked in tagine. That's why I'm doing it. So I'm going to cook salmon with couscous, this couscous, and then the vegetables from the garden. So I'm going to put lemon, verbena, and then the tomatoes that I picked from the garden, and then this nectarine. So I'm going to put this couscous on the tagine. Like that. And then I'll put like chicken broth. Probably need to add more. I think I ran out of chicken broth, so I have seafood here, seafood stock, and then I have beef broth. I think that's beef too, and another like seafood there, seafood broth. So I'm going to use seafood since I'm cooking salmon. So I'll use this seafood stock. So I'm going to add more like seafood stock here. Like that. And then I'm going to add the salmon on top. Oh, these are like huge salmon. If you've been watching our vlogs, you might have noticed that Josh loves salmon, so it's one of his favorite. So, and then tomatoes, and then I'm going to add this nectarine there. Let's see how it goes. And then the lemon verbena like that, and then salt. Then I'll add some like onion here on top and at the bottom, and then garlic too. Let's put all the tomatoes there. And then salt. And then freshly cracked peppercorns. Freshly cracked peppercorns. I think I need to add more broth too to make sure that it doesn't dry out, because the couscous is going to absorb a lot of liquid. Should be good. And then now I'm going to cover, and then onto a 350-degree preheated oven for about like 30 minutes. So very quick and easy to prepare. There you go. And the big reveal. Here you go. Here is our salmon tagine. Yummy. Very yummy. Very, very flavorful. I'm done grocery shopping in our backyard, and here's what I got. I have some grapes. These are blueberry grapes, barley grapes, the green one, and some donut peaches, some lemons, some tomatoes. This is lava flow, and then some cherry type tomatoes, and then scallion. So these are my harvest today. Oh, this one fell. It's so soft now. A lot of the nectarines are ready. I need to harvest them. The ones that are soft. Okay, I think tomorrow. Probably pick them tomorrow. That one is just soft. This one is soft too. The lilies from Sunday, the one that I picked for our Sunday brunch, they were like, I think 3 were like buds back then. I need to remove all these leaves and then, oops, put this on the face like that. That's a beautiful like lily, right? These 2 are, or like these 3 are like still buds, but they will bloom later. And now look, they all have bloomed beautifully. With lilies, I think I mentioned in one of the videos that they bloom once a year. So you have to wait 1 year, and they are like short-lived. They don't last that long, but they are very pretty. Look at them. Look at those flowers. See? I flexed my time at work today to be here.